Want to remove a passkey from your Google account? It only takes a minute. Here's exactly how to do it. First, open any web browser on your phone or computer. Go to google.com and make sure you're signed in. Now tap your profile picture in the top right corner. From the menu, select Manage your Google account. At the top, tap on Security. Scroll down until you find How you sign in to Google. Now tap on Passkeys. Google may ask you to verify your identity using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. Once verified, you'll see a list of all active passkeys linked to your account. Find the passkey you want to remove, tap the X or Remove option next to it. A confirmation message will appear. Tap Remove again to confirm. And that's it. The passkey is now deleted from your Google account. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple Google tips.